Well, welcome back, everybody. Listen, this is going to be a different video today. This is just me kind of just having some straight heart-to-heart talk with you. Here's the reality. The reality is that I need you to come join me here this week at the Wealth 365 Summit. Everything I teach you at these summits, I do multiple daytime events. We have other people like Ziad, Dr. Keith, Stacy, and so many, Hubert, and so many others. Ralph Ekampora kicking off Monday morning, and so many others that are going to be teaching you throughout the week. But I have all those daily classes. Then I come back in the evenings and answer any of your questions and that. And those same strategies, those same ones, are some of the ones that helped me win a trading competition over in Italy here not too long ago. They also went ahead and are the same kind of things that were working very well in the current market environment here, just the last several weeks. Also, here on Friday, right, the market was beautiful to the upside there early on. Then again had another surge up there into the lunchtime, and then turned around and went down into the afternoon. You need to be able to spot the buys, the sells, all within a single day. So whether you're a day trader, whether you're a swing trader, all of this is just phenomenal. The opportunities out there are absolutely incredible, but the risks are high if you don't know what you're doing. And so I want to encourage you, come join me here. It's going to be strategies, training, a lot of great things I'm going to be sharing with you here as well. You'll get to learn about different people's products and services as well, of course. But come join and learn as much as you possibly can from us. It was also be a big trading competition for all the WealthCharts Jumpstarts, Essentials, and Ultimate members. There's going to be new ways to get access to, like, WealthCharts Jumpstart and Essentials there next week. So looking forward to you guys hearing about that. There's also, like I said, those nightly sessions with me. So what I want you to do, instead of just doing a singular video to talk about, okay, this is some of the strategies and here's what we're looking at going into Monday, why don't you hear directly from me while we're in the thick of it? Learn there, right there on the screen while the markets are open, and then each night in the evenings with me, I'll be there. Like the plan right now is all 6 nights, and there's just so many incredible opportunities here. So what I want you to do is go to wealth365.com/BBT. Let's go ahead and address a bunch of strategies, a bunch of setups, how you can go ahead and identify these things. I'll show you the different ways we set those up, right? What they look like, how the bars, the candle patterns, the different things that we go into there. We'll do all that stuff, and you need to know this now, because as you can see, things are getting crazier and crazier in the political and the geopolitical environments. In a single day, we can be up, down, right? And then, of course, beautiful opportunities on the swing trade basis. So your stock, options, futures trader, there's so much that you need to go ahead and be a part of right now, and you need to learn. So strategies, training, big week ahead here, okay? So come join me here. Go to wealth365.com/BBT, and I'll look forward to seeing you for a big week ahead together. Take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. See you in the next few days. See you all week. Bye-bye.